Understanding their why is everything. And it's everything in any kind of relationship you're building. And that's really what we're doing when we design products at Chase. We don't want you for the moment. We want you for your lifetime.
Welcome to Smart Decoding, your inside look at how we're shaping the future of banking through cutting-edge digital experiences and breakthrough technology. Get ready. Smart Decoding starts now.
Hi, I'm Mickey Van Cleve, and I'm the Chief Design Officer at Chase.
And I'm Seth Wheeler, the Chief Data and Analytics Officer here at Chase. We're here today to talk about how design and data intersect in building great customer experiences. So, Mickey, thinking about design and data, why is it so important that those come together in building those great experiences?
Data is so integral to design and vice versa because we talk to customers constantly. Often they'll tell us what they're worried about, what they're stressed about, what's keeping them up at night. But the data really tells us how they're interacting with our products and services. And so design can use the data as well as what we observe from our customers to really paint a full picture of how we're going to address those problems effectively. If you looked at one or the other alone, you would be missing something really critical.
Yeah, you and I have talked before about how it's an iterative process. We talk to the customer, we think we understand their needs, we design something, deliver it, and then the customers behave in unexpected ways.
Always.
But that feedback loop with data and then pouring that back in and maybe another conversation with the data, observing what they're doing, taking another crack at how we perfect that customer experience.
Yeah, totally. You should iterate and rinse and repeat a lot with your customer data.
How important with user experience and with your role with design, how important is it to understand the customer's why and not just their behavior?
Understanding their why is everything. And it's everything in any kind of relationship you're building. And that's really what we're doing when we design products at Chase. We don't want you for the moment. We want you for your lifetime. And to do that, I have to understand at each stage of your life why you're doing the things you're doing, why it's important to you, and why you're asking Chase to help. And it's fascinating how complicated at first it is to ask why over and over again. But especially in a team environment, when you really force yourself and your partners to do that and to think about the customer's why first, ultimately you can't go wrong in delivering a product that's going to meet their needs.
In leading the data analytics team, it's been exciting not only to bring data to that question of how people are behaving, but with the rich data we have at Chase on their transactions, their digital behaviors, their credit profile, we can bring together so much rich information about the customer to really inform a complete picture. And I think it does contribute to just an awesome partnership between design and data.
It's been so meaningful to me how much data informs good user experience, but I'm curious from your perspective, how critical is data in informing not just user experience, but new products, new experiences? Where is Chase going to go next? How do we think about data kind of fueling all of those decisions?
We do see trends, even successful products, trends evolving in how our customers use our product. And so I think it's a function of needing to constantly go back to the well, stay humble, and don't assume that we have something, we have the code cracked. But as we think about launching new products or continue to refine old products, we really need to keep coming back to watching their behavior, watching how they're interacting with our products, and understanding when is it time that we need to evolve with the customer when they're evolving.
Thanks for watching. To learn more, follow us on LinkedIn or check out our Next at Chase blog on medium.com.